Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Study of Animal Tissue. In that we are studying topic Structure of a Neuron. Now neurons are basic fundamental units of a nervous system. Let's study today the structure and find out little bit more about it. If you closely observe the structure of a neuron, what we get is that there are various small cell entities present in it. For example, there are hair-like structures which are termed as dendrites present at the outer periphery of a neuron. Also, the cell body, or you simply say it, cyton or soma, is the main center cell of a neuron that consists of a large central nucleus placed in it. Neurons are basically surrounded by cytoplasmic material. Cytoplasm's presence also show the presence of mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, rough endoplasmic reticulum inside this cyton, soma, or you call it the cell body. Now, it also shows the presence of certain granules which are termed as nichel granules, and these nichel granules are very important for protein synthesis. And the later part you'll observe axons, dendrites, myelin sheath, and at the end you'll observe terminal ends of a neuron, or you simply say nerve ending. Structure of a neuron. Now neurons are basically smallest unit of our nervous system. Now the basic structure of neuron under microscope would consist of cell body, or you say it cyton or soma. They're one and the same. Now they are basically star shaped and contain a large central nucleus which is just in the middle, surrounded by granular cytoplasm. Also, the cytoplasm shows the presence of mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell, Golgi apparatus, as well as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now, both your rough endoplasmic reticulum as well as Golgi apparatus helps in the synthesis of the protein. They are the protein machinery generating factory. They show the presence of nichel granules. Now these nichel granules are very much rich in ribose nucleic acid, and by being rich in ribose nucleic acid, they are concerned with protein synthesis. For example, the synthesis of your polypeptide chain. Now, if you see from the cyton or from the cell body, there comes two kind of cytoplasmic extensions. And these cytoplasmic extensions are nothing but, you say them dendrites or you simply say them dendrons. Now, dendrites or dendrons are hair-like extensions that are present in a neuron. Dendrites are basically small processes that breaks up into fine branches that carry impulse, or you simply say information carrying towards the cell molecule. Axons or nerve fibers that are present are basically long processes. So I could simply say that dendrites are present along with the cell body, and further down there are axons present. Those axons will contain your Schwann cells, myelinated sheath, etc. that may be several meters long and conduct the nerve impulse away from the cell body. And they basically conduct this nerve impulse away from the cell body with the help of an enzyme, or you simply say acetylcholine. Now during nerve impulse, what happens is, imagine there's a nerve cell present. The cell body part of the nerve cell and the down part of the nerve cell is termed as axon, which will contain your myelinated, or you simply say Schwann cells, and at the end of a nerve there is nerve ending or the nerve terminal. Now between a nerve terminal and a dendrite of a new neuron, there is an exchange of acetylcholine and calcium ions, which is also termed as calcium channel, or the interaction of synaptic pre and postsynaptic vessel. So whenever that interaction takes place, impulse is carried through a neuron. In simply, I could say that a neuron helps to carry impulse or information at the speed of electricity using the synaptic vesicles, acetylcholine, calcium ions, etc. So students, in this part of the chapter, we came across the structure of a neuron. What does it contains, how does it functions, and how does it helps to carry impulse. I hope you all are very clear about this concept. Thank you.